Okay, today I'm looking at ODM DirSync history error, where the write operation requires that the destination domain auditing be enabled. It's knowledge base article 4325147. I've generated the same error in my environment, which I'll show you here. So the SID history sync enablement is done through the stage section. This is done via the template that you would create for your stage workflow I'm running. It says reading right up here. But it actually has a stage involved here as well. And I've got 10 errors. I'm just going to show a sampling of what the errors are here. So I downloaded the log already, and I filtered out for error. So you can see here I do have the error for adding the object SID. And I'm getting the operation requires the destination domain auditing be enabled. We're going to have a look here at this particular article that will run through what's required for the auditing on the domain. Let's move this out of the way, and we'll walk through this within my lab environment on my target TC. Okay, first thing that it's going to tell you to do here is open the group policy management. I have group policy management already opened, and let's drill into the location it's looking for. The first one's going to be under the forest. The first thing is to log into the target domain controller with an admin account that has the proper rights. A domain admin account would be perfect for this. And I'm just going to go to the group policy management. And then within your group policy management, you want to navigate to the following nodes. You want to be under forest and domains, and then expand the domain name and expand the domain controllers. All we're looking for here is to expand this a little bit, searching for the default domain controller policy. So once we find it, we can right-click on it and choose Edit. Then from here, we're looking for computer configuration, then policies, then Windows settings, and then security settings. We are already running out of room here, so let's expand this a little bit. And then we want local policies, and we're looking for the audit policy here. And there's two in particular that we're looking for here. So there's going to be audit account management. It's the first one. Okay, so you can see here I've got audit account management. I've already got it set up for success and failure in this case. But if it showed as not defined, you could double click and select define these policies. Then choose the checkboxes for success and failure, click OK, and move on to the next one we're looking for, which is Audit Directory Service Access. It's this one here. Same thing if it shows not defined. You can just double click on it, choose the checkbox for define these policy settings, and then just set it for success and failure, and then click OK, OK. There is a note here in the knowledge base article as well. If you require this to be immediately reflected, you can open an elevated command prompt and execute a GP update /force. It's going to be in both sections here, so I didn't have any changes to make here. So I'm going to go into the second section, which is the advanced audit policy. Okay. So we're in the same section here. We just want to go down to the bottom where you'll find the advanced audit policy configuration. We simply want to expand this, and then we're searching for the account management. Under account management, Each one of these should appear in the list defined by their success and failure. So in my case, they haven't been configured yet. So I'm just going to go and set each one of these. Okay, and now that each one of these has been selected and configured for success and failure audit events, I'm going to open my elevated command prompt. I'm just going to run AGP, update the force command. There we have it. I want these changes to be updated immediately. So this is running completely successfully. So my policy's been updated. All right, so at this point, it will be fine to return to an event migration directory sync. Yeah, let's sign back in. And this is one of the failures. The one that has the correct stage, which also includes the stage in it, my template. So I'm just going to run this one again. You can actually see that it ran for 6 minutes and 35 seconds, and there are no errors this time around. The error log or log shouldn't show any issues related to the SID history this time around. See things like SID history, and we don't have any errors this time because the other policy is now in place and it's writing this history to the target environment. Yes, this concludes the discussion on the article for the domain audit. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.